Hello friends and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your phone to DaVinci Resolve to monitor your project. It's pretty easy, simple, and it's free. Let me show how it's done. I'm going to show you how you can do this on a tablet, and I'm going to show you how you can do this on a phone, and it's super easy, it's super simple. Alright, before we begin, you have to go and click on this web page over here. I'm going to link this into the description. So go here and you have to sign up for a Blackmagic Cloud account. It's absolutely easy to do and it's free. You have to go just press sign up and you have to put all your name, details and all that stuff. Once this is done, go to your app store on your phone, DaVinci Monitoring. And then you're going to see here, DaVinci Remote Monitor. Go and download this. It's going to take a while, a few seconds. Now go and open, and now DaVinci Resolve is going to ask us to find and connect to devices on our local network. Go and press allow, and then here you have to add your password and your email address that you used to sign up with Blackmagic Cloud. Okay, I'm going to go quickly and put it in. Okay, now you've logged in, and now the app is asking for a code, for a session code. So the next step is to go on your computer and open DaVinci Resolve. Okay, now once you open DaVinci Resolve, you see nothing is happening. To go to workspace over here, click on workspace and go and toggle on monitoring, remote monitoring. Okay, click on it, and then you're going to see here at the bottom top corner, you're going to see remote monitor appearing here. And now we have to sign in again. Go and sign in and introduce again the email and password you've created when signing up for Blackmagic Cloud account. Okay, I'm going to go quickly and introduce my details. Now I'm going to go and sign in. Boom. Okay, once you've signed in, go again and press on this icon over here. You see you'll have a monitor appear here. Go and press on the monitor, and you see here it shows us to start session. Okay, you've got some options here, like the video codec here, H.265 4220 10-bit, or you can have H.265 420 8-bit. You know, try and put 8-bit, and then go and try 10-bit. You can choose the bitrate as well, which is 10, and you can actually automatically accept connections when you open DaVinci Resolve. Okay, I'm not going to toggle this on for now because I don't want to use it all the time. I'm going to go and start session. Okay, start session, and now you'll see we have a code appearing here. What you have to do now is to copy this code, and you have to get this code and paste it onto your phone. What's great about having a Mac and an iPhone, I can copy here, and now if my phone is unlocked, when I copy this, I'm going to go here and just paste, and straight away you see it's copied from my Mac to my iPhone, which is quite incredible. And now I click join. DaVinci Remote Monitor, please wait. The host will let you in to join shortly. Now I have to go here on my Mac and click accept. You see a new connection, Nick Carman, accept. Now when I accept this here, look what's happening here. Now I can scroll and I can turn it like this. If I put it like this, I have a monitor. You see, it's pretty cool. And obviously if my timeline would have been like a vertical resolution, obviously I'll have everything in a vertical resolution. It's pretty cool, it's pretty simple. There is a lag actually, like about like even less than a second. Once you press play on your computer, it's gonna take like milliseconds later, so it's not real time as on your computer, but it's pretty good. I mean, obviously you're not gonna edit in real time with this, it's just to monitor and see how the colors is gonna look on your phone or how it's gonna fit onto your phone. So it's a good way of monitoring it. I'm gonna use it. I don't think so, but maybe there'll be occasions when I will need this and I will use it. And now if you want to go and do the same thing on your tablet, it's super easy, it's super simple. Go and click on start session, and go and click this code over here, and then go to your tablet and then paste this onto your tablet, paste, join, and then let's have a look. And then you have to click again accept on your computer, accept, and then straight away you will see DaVinci Resolve is gonna stream on your tablet. Now if I'm gonna scroll on my timeline, you see, pretty simple. And now you know what, I can edit everything, you know, I can look at my tablet. It's a big screen. You see, it's much better to do this on a tablet if you want to use it as a separate monitor. And one more thing, actually, if you want to go and close this monitor, if you don't want to see it anymore, go back to workspace, click on workspace, and go back to remote monitoring. You see, now because I am monitoring, you can't really toggle this off. But now if I'm going to go here and I'm going to close the session, end session, I'm going to go to workspace, click on the workspace, remote monitoring, toggle this off, and then the screen there is going to disappear. There is actually another way of doing it. If you're going to go to workspace, there's a way of doing the dual screen. If you have a dual screen setup, you can actually do it on separate screens. And automatically you can change the settings here for a dual screen. But this is your system needs to have a dual screen already installed in order for DaVinci Resolve to see that there is a dual screen. If you don't have a dual screen installed, then this option is not going to show on your computer. And this is it, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it interesting and useful. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. It really helps the channel and it motivates me to create even more and better videos just like this. Take care, happy creation, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.